Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How to make routine. You will never change your life until you change something you do daily. The secret of your success is found in your daily routine. Wake up and smell the routine. To make the routine, there are some steps to follow. First step is consistency. To get consistency, consciously do the things which you want to make in routine. Then it will go into the unconscious mind and become a habit. Step 2. Proper planning. Do the proper planning for routine and decide what needs to be in your routine. Lay out a plan. And after that, set your goal, and your goal must be small and followable. Set a target and do the ultimate effort to achieve the decided goal or target. Break each large goal into a smaller goals, then it becomes easier to achieve the goals. Step 4 is be prepared. By winning to prepare, you are preparing to win. So, be mentally and physically prepared to get into a routine. Be committed and see the results. Fifth step is check your progress. Track your progress, see where you stand, and if you feel to change the strategy for making a routine, you can change it. Step 6. Reward yourself. The reward for work well done is the opportunity to do more. Now there are some more points you can need to bother for making a routine. Especially if you are making a kids or toddler routine for kid below 6 years. Keep it in your mind that you need to go gradually to get into the new routine, slow and steady. Kids need support, mental support, moral support. So never give up. Be consistent until it becomes unconscious. And while you are instructing your kids about routine, avoid yelling and shouting on your kids. Make your kids mentally prepare before the time. And the most important thing is kids need appreciation. So appreciate them. Appreciation can make a day, even change a life. Don't forget, a person's great emotional need is to feel appreciated. So appreciate your kid and appreciate yourself.